My name's Justin Hayward. I'm with Kawneer Collaborative. I represent the Southern United States. I've got 12 states that I actively work in. So with anything from Texas to North Carolina and Tennessee to Florida and everything in between. Our team is unique in the regard that we have dedicated support for our projects. When I'm presented a job, a customer approaches us or an architect approaches us, we're able to bring in anybody from engineering. We've got dedicated modeling teams. We really take a look at it, not just from a perspective of scope and price. We can really dig in deeper and work together with that glazing contractor and get to the finish line a lot easier. Each job is unique, and y'all know some of them require more hands-on approach. Some of them require high levels of engineering. When we look at a project, as soon as it hits our desk and we become involved, I'm able to assess at that point who and how many people we're going to need for that job from the beginning. That said, once any given project is underway and we've already worked with the glazing contractor, our partner, establishing the budget, making sure that we have all the components needed for the job, we are at that point, our team as a whole has been involved. So even though we've estimated the job, we've gone through the preliminary engineering, now our glazing contractor goes out and they're successful within the job. My whole team knows the job in and out. Having a group like the collaborative really makes us stand out in that regard because we do have the ability, we have the capabilities, and we have the dedicated team focused solely on projects from start to finish.